Olaias metro station in Lisbon that I use every day. This is the one of beautiful metro station in Lisbon Metro area. It has so many beautiful architecture and installation art. This is a station on the red line of the Lisbon Metro. Olaias station is located on Beato Lisbon, the northeast of central Lisbon, Portugal. The date of official opening in 1998. This metro is near central metro station named Alameda. The architectural design is by Tomás Taveira, and the installation art was created by Pedro Cabrita Reis, Graça Pereira Coutinho, Pedro Calapez, and Rua Sanchez. This station started from São Sebastião and ended in the Lisbon airport. So this is the very important metro line. The metro is coming, so it's time to say goodbye. See you in the next vlog. Stay tuned and do subscribe.